Oh, is this where the oil plug is?
Huh? Oh yeah.
Yeah. You know what, guys? Don't ever buy an F-150.
Why? You're lubed up, son. You are balls deep into this oil change right now.
There we go.
Beautiful. Has he even pulled out the...
It's Venom! What happened?
Dude, he's lucky I don't know how to use this thing.
It's all over.
It's everywhere.
We should do full jet. What? Why? Oh my. Dude. What is this? What is this oil filter space, man? You know what? You're going to the dumpster. Come on, baby. Maybe I do need this. What is this space for this oil filter, dude? Oh, I'm gonna pour oil right on me, dude. I know it. I'm not ready for this.
It's on there.
There we go. Broke her. And now I got my arm stuck. There we go. Oh, yeah. Goodbye, oil. Give it to me. There we go, baby girl.
Huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's the old oil, too. Oiled my oil filter. Alright, guys. It's time to fill her up. Oh, yeah.
We got another
jug over there. We can put it on some.
It's like the forbidden water
biscuits.
fountain.
It's the golden apple, but of water.
It's just apple juice, bro. Dude, next Halloween, I got the perfect prank.
What?
We're gonna get some apple juice boxes and put some oil in it and say they're apple juice.
Bro, those kids won't know what hit them. This is my drinking jug. If you didn't tell, this is my to-go. Hello, everybody. Alright, guys, I just did my oil change. I'm already dirty. Mommy, I need a shower. Okay, that's besides the point. You see, I got all my food here. I'm gonna have a nice snack. I'm gonna go to bed. I don't know. But I'll see you guys later. Have fun. I'm gonna keep huffing the oil. I don't know.